Question number 1.
She to the office every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going.
Question number 2.
The dinner when I called A was having. B were having. K are having.
Question number 3.
I my keys yesterday. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Losing.
Question number 4.
By this time tomorrow, we the work. A. Will finish. B. Will have finished. K. Finish.
Question number 5.
Neither the manager nor the employee satisfied. A is, ba, are, C, was.
Question number 6.
Each student responsible for homework. A is, B, are, key were.
Question number 7.
If I rich, I would help the poor. A, was. B, were. K, am.
Question number 8.
The number of applications increased. A is, B, are, C, were.
Question number 9.
A pair of shoes on the floor. A is, B, are, key, were.
Question number 10.
She insisted on the truth. A, telling. B, tell. C, to tell.
Question number 11.
He lent me his bike. A, ride. B, riding. C, to ride.
Question number 12.
We here since 2021. A, live. B, have lived. Key, had lived.
Question number 13.
The committee meeting today. A, is, B, are, C.
Question number 14.
There are many people in the park. A, are. B, is. C, was.
Question number 15.
Little known about the author's life. A, is, B, are, C, were.
Question number 16.
She prefers at home on weekends. A, to stay. B, staying. C, stay.
Question number 17.
He said he busy yesterday. A was, B is, C were.
Question number 18.
This is the first time I sushi. A have tried, B had tried, K tried, K.
Question number 19.
You not park here. It's illegal. A must, B mustn't, C should.
Question number 20.
By evening that goes 4 hours. A will have been waiting, B have been waiting, K were waiting.
Question number 21.
Either my brother or my parents coming. A is, B are, C were.
Question number 22.
He suggested that she earlier. A arrive, B arrive, C arrives, C arrive.
Question number 23.
If it tomorrow, we'll cancel the picnic. A rains, B rained, K rained.
Question number 24.
She coffee every morning. A drinks, B drink, C drank, C drank.
Question number 25.
The children playing outside now. A are, B is, C was.
Question number 26.
We to the zoo last Sunday. A go, B went, K gone.
Question number 27.
He stooped scar yesterday. A washed, B washes, C washes.
Question number 28.
They already left. A have, B has, C had, 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 C had,
Question number 29.
She her homework before dinner. A. Finished. B. Finishes. Key. Finished.
Question number 30.
The train at 8 p.m. daily. A leaves, B leave, C leaving, Kai leaving.
Question number 31.
I my bag on the chair. A. Put. B. Puts. C. Putting.
Question number 32.
We waiting for the bus. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 33.
She not like junk food. A. Does. B. Do. C. Did.
Question number 34.
They reading when I arrived. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are.
Question number 35.
I breakfast at 7 a.m. yesterday. A. B. Ate. C. Eaten.
Question number 36.
He'd in London for 2 years. E. Has lived. B. Lived. C. Living.
Question number 37.
The book on the table. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 38.
We tired after the match. A. Were. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 39.
She already read that story. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had.
Question number 40.
He to the party last night. A. Goes. B. Went. Key gone.
Question number 41.
The baby crying now. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 42.
I him many times. A. Have seen. B. Saw. C. See.
Question number 43.
Fares to the concert tomorrow. A. Are going. B. Goes. C. Went.
Question number 44.
The dog loudly. A. Barks. B. Bark. C. Bark.
Question number 45.
She me gift yesterday. A gave, B give, K gives, K's.
Question number 46.
We lunch at 1 p.m. daily. A, eat, B, ate, C, eaten.
Question number 47.
He's swimming every weekend. A goes, B go, C went.
Question number 48.
They already arrived. A, have, B, has, C, had.
Question number 49.
We playing football last night. A, were, B, are, C, was.
Question number 50.
She very confident in class. A is, B, are, C, was.